We're strongest when we work together. ISSA is advocating for you by actively lobbying governments on the biggest challenges facing the cleaning industry and your business. We need your help to win key legislative and regulatory victories in Washington, D.C. and all 50 states. Support the cleaning industry and make your voice heard by contributing to the ISSA Advocacy Fund at issa.com/advocacy fund.
Hello, I'm John Noter, Director of Government Affairs for ISSA, the Worldwide Cleaning Industry Association, and this is an update on the top 3 legislative and regulatory issues impacting the cleaning industry right now and how you can get engaged. Topic 1, President Biden signs massive health and climate bill. Congress passed and President Biden signed into law the Inflation Reduction Act, a $790 billion piece of legislation that will spend billions of dollars on climate and healthcare, while also raising taxes on large profitable corporations. The legislation makes massive investments in green energy, extends the Affordable Care Act's health subsidies, and reduces the deficit. The legislation also includes a new 15% corporate minimum tax and a 1% tax on company stock buybacks. It also calls for increased IRS enforcement. Topic 2, California revises volatile organic compound regulations. On August 1st, California finalized amendments to the regulations for reducing VOC emissions from consumer products that were approved by the California Air Resources Board back in March of 2021. The revisions will lower VOC limits on a number of household and commercial cleaning product categories and sunset the 2% exemption on fragrances, as well as prohibit the sale of certain products containing toxic substances. In general, these revisions must be complied with by January 1st, 2023, unless otherwise noted. And thirdly, topic 3, register today for the 2022 ISSA North America show in Chicago. Ensure your continued success in the marketplace by attending the Cleaning Products Workshop, which is a one-day workshop taking place on Monday, October 10th, in conjunction with the ISSA show. Registration for this event is separate from the show, but it will address the latest regulatory and sustainability issues, along with other trending topics impacting in manufacturing, packaging, marketing, and sale of household and consumer products, cleaning products. ISSA members should use the promo code ISSA 2022 when registering. And lastly, come over to the booth and meet the ISSA Government Affairs team at the show. We will be hosting an industry leaders roundtable, a panel on Healthy Workplaces Coalition, and a happy hour at the show. Each of these will take place on the show floor of the exhibit hall and are included in your show registration. With that, this was your Cleaning is Essential, 3 things you need to know this week. Remember you can sign up to receive ISSA's legislative and regulatory e-newsletter by going to issa.com/take action.